Hello, I'm Amy Hickman. I'm here to introduce my phenomenon. Can plants grow without soil? 5-LS1-1 From molecules to organisms. Students can support an argument that plants get the materials they need for growth chiefly from air and water. So we know that plants require air, water, and light to grow, but do the plants really require soil? Will they grow? Won't they grow? What materials do plants need to grow? Good question. How do you determine what plants need to grow? This is my aquarium plant. You can see its leaves here, and then these are its roots, and that's just in rocks. There's no soil there. So how could we test this idea? How could we test this question? What scientific evidence could we find? Where could we gather data? And what components of a system would we be working with? So some of the reasoning, these are some of the previous materials we've covered or our background knowledge. We have the sun, the soil, air, and water. We've all grown plants with these 4 things. So here's our plant system, and then we have the subsystems, and there's our sun, and this is what we have to work with. Thank you.